Hello, it's Kyle Prolux. We've been getting some emails from some customers regarding tool fitment on the QX60, 90, along with the Phantom Pet, which is white, and the blue Phantom. So in today's video, I want to go over how to correctly install the tools so you guys have no issues. All right, so we're taking a look at the manual. This is going to apply for both the QX series and the Phantom Canister series. So on page 10 where it says description of parts, you're going to notice an image with everything called out. This is a 3D rendering. At one point we were going to do a floor tool with a button lock, but we figured out it doesn't exactly connect well. So this was hence updated after the manuals were printed and delivered to us. So you're going to notice the floor tool with a button lock, but in reality it doesn't have a button lock, but regardless, the tools still fit. Also, all the images on our website and all the other sales channels, they have been updated to show this picture with no button lock hole in the floor tool. All right, so here are the tools we're gonna be test fitting. We got the floor tool with no button lock hole, which is fine. The two onboard tools, along with the mini turbo. Okay, so this button lock hole on the wand is mainly for the power head. But regardless, the tools will still fit. They use friction fit, and if you can press them on hard enough, you can actually get it slightly past the button lock. And friction fit, as you put them on, you twist. So here it's almost to the button lock. I'm gonna depress it, and I'm gonna press it on a little bit more. And the button lock will actually hold tension on the neck of the floor tool along with the friction fit, and this shouldn't come off with normal use. So I'm going to demonstrate by acting like I'm going to throw this to show you that the tool just simply does not come off. So now I'm going to have a colleague help me pull the floor tool off to show you that it's on there pretty well. So just friction fit and depressing this button slightly, that tool stays on pretty securely. So let's try the onboard tools. And again, you actually have to put some force into it. Crevice tool. This one goes on a little bit more, but no worries. We'll depress this button and slide it on. Mini turbo. See, this one's pretty loose, just going on, but if you depress this button and push the mini turbo on more, it'll be a tighter fit. Okay, now we're going to test these tools on the handle hose, which also has a button lock, but this button lock is designed for the wand. Did you hear that click? It's on there now. So the button lock on the hose is designed for the wand, and the button lock on the wand is designed for the head. Again, the hose is the same concept. Friction fit, this is loose on it, but if I depress this button and slide it on a little bit more, it's on there. It shouldn't come off with normal use. And you have to put some force behind it to get it off. We'll repeat this process with the other three tools. This one doesn't even come close to the button lock, but if you put some force on attaching it, it's still not going to come off with ease. This one goes on a little bit further. We're going to depress that button, slide it on, And then lastly, we got the floor tool again, which does not have a button lock, but no worries. It goes on. We're gonna depress this button and get it on a little bit further. Even though these tools do not have button locks on them, they still securely fit to the hose and the wand. You guys just need to push them on a little further, and if they can get to this button lock, depress this button lock and slide it over to create even more tension on the tools.